Welcome back. Today, AI becomes your smartest study partner. Imagine studying smarter while cutting your study time dramatically. Let's explore 3 free AI tools every student should know. Okay, let's jump right into this explainer of the Day 25 AI Masterclass. Look, if you're a high school or college student staring down midterms or finals, and you're just feeling completely crushed by the sheer volume of material you have to memorize, I need you to listen closely. Today, we're going to break down a completely free system that is going to change the whole game for you.
We've all been there, right? Ask yourself, why do you forget everything by exam day? If you're exhausted from spending 4 straight hours cramming in the library, rereading your notes over and over, and aggressively highlighting textbooks, only to sit down at the test and draw a total blank, well, you're falling right into the trap of passive studying. It feels incredibly productive in the moment, but it's actually one of the absolute weakest ways your brain learns anything.
So, to fix this, here is our quick roadmap for this masterclass explainer. We'll hit Section 1, the passive study trap. Section 2, 3 free AI tools. Section 3, the 5-step workflow. Section 4, the Feynman Technique. And wrap up with Section 5, real results and your assignment. All right, Section 1, the passive study trap. Let's look at moving from busy work to active recall. Think about the old way we study, because it's what almost everyone defaults to. You reread notes, you paint your textbook in neon highlighter, you frantically scribble down everything the professor says during lectures. But the AI way, it's completely different. We're talking instant quizzes, listening to custom audio study guides on your walk to class, and generating 20 flashcards in literally seconds. Now here is the crucial point. AI should not be studying for you. Instead, it removes the busy work so you can focus 100% of your energy on active learning. The students who are winning right now aren't letting AI think for them. They are just using it to think faster. And get this, the potential payoff is massive. By using AI to bypass all that manual labor of study prep, the hours spent just organizing notes and writing out flashcards by hand, you could see up to 70% less study time. Imagine actually getting hours of your weekend back simply because your study sessions are finally efficient.
To understand why this works so well, we have to talk about active recall. This is simply the practice of forcing your brain to actively retrieve information instead of just passively looking at it. Decades of research back up active recall as the absolute gold standard for learning. But here's the catch, right? Creating all those quizzes and flashcards by hand takes forever. And that is exactly why we're going to use AI to build them for us in seconds.
Which brings us to Section 2, 3 free AI tools. Let's open up your new digital study toolkit. Tool number 1 is Google NotebookLM. This acts as your personal, highly focused study assistant because unlike a general search engine like Google or standard ChatGPT, NotebookLM becomes an absolute expert on your specific material. It answers questions and builds quizzes based strictly on your uploaded syllabus, your specific lecture slides, or your textbook PDFs. It's not out there guessing from the whole internet. It zeroes in only on what you actually need to know for your exam.
Now this next feature, this is pure magic for high school and college students. The audio overview feature inside NotebookLM generates this super conversational podcast-style dialogue between 2 AI hosts who just discuss whatever document you uploaded. To use it, it's incredibly simple. Just sign in with a free Google account, upload your study material to a new notebook, and click the audio overview button. Suddenly, you've taken dead time, like commuting to campus, walking between classes, or making dinner, and turned it into prime, higher-attention study time.
Our next 2 tools are all about capturing the information in the first place. For live lectures, so you don't miss half of what your professor is saying while you're trying to write, Otter.ai is your best friend. It listens and transcribes the whole thing in real time. On the other hand, if you're working with pre-recorded YouTube tutorials or audio files, you'll want to use TurboScribe. They offer 3 free transcriptions per day. Either way, both tools guarantee you capture every single word without stressing out. Okay, Section 3, the 5-step workflow. Let's put it all together. Here is your exact playbook. Step 1, you just record your live lecture with Otter.ai. Step 2, and please don't skip this, you export that transcript as a plain text file. Step 3, you upload that text directly into NotebookLM, right alongside your professor's lecture slides. Step 4, you ask NotebookLM to auto-generate a study guide and practice questions from those uploads. And finally, Step 5, take any concepts you're still struggling to grasp into ChatGPT to generate targeted flashcards. Literally 0 wasted effort.
Moving right along to Section 4, the Feynman Technique. This is where we test your deep conceptual understanding.
Step 5 mentioned closing the gaps with ChatGPT, and to do that right, we rely on the Feynman Technique. This is the simple principle that if you can explain a concept in plain, simple language, you truly understand it. Everyone knows ChatGPT can spit out answers, sure, but top-tier students don't use it as an answer engine. They use it as an active recall coach that literally forces them to explain really hard ideas simply. In fact, you can literally copy and paste this exact prompt into ChatGPT tonight, explain a topic plainly, give a real-world example, and then quiz me on it. It's brilliant because it ensures that the plain explanation builds your deep conceptual understanding, while the immediate quiz locks that information into your long-term memory. It's honestly just like having a private tutor right in your pocket. Finally, Section 5, Real Results and Assignment. Let's look at some proof that learning velocity actually wins.
To show you this isn't just theory, the source material highlights some incredible real-world wins from the Fecund Circle community. Take Kemi, for example. She's a freelance accountant in Legos, studying for a super rigorous qualification. She uploaded her chapters into NotebookLM and strictly used those audio overviews during her commute. By replacing desk-bound reading with active, on-the-go listening, she condensed what used to be a grueling 5-hour weekend study block down to just 90 minutes of active revision. And she actually achieved better retention.
Then there's James. He was preparing for his PMP certification. He used ChatGPT to generate over 200 practice questions to drill his active recall. And he also listened to NotebookLM audio on his commute. The result of that workflow? He passed his notoriously difficult PMP exam on his very first attempt. And that directly led to a major senior operations promotion. Now, if you really want to lock in what you've learned, maybe for a massive final exam, the source suggests a premium upgrade using the teach-back method. You can use a tool like Video Express to actually create a short explainer video of yourself teaching the material. Because explaining a topic out loud, as if you're the teacher, totally cements it in your brain and forces true, undeniable understanding. The underlying pattern across all of this is what we call learning velocity. Highly successful students aren't letting AI do the hard work for them. They are strategically using it to accelerate their active recall and dramatically increase their learning velocity. In school, and honestly later in your career, your ultimate edge isn't just raw brute force effort. It is how fast and how effectively you can internalize new information. So here is your day 25 assignment. Pick one PDF, one recorded lecture, or one set of notes right now. Run it through this exact workflow, generate an audio overview, and drop a screenshot of your results in the Fecund Circle WhatsApp community. I want to leave you with this thought. If the only difference between passing and failing is how effectively you test yourself, what material are you uploading tonight to finally claim your time back?
AI doesn't replace learning. It helps you learn faster. Upload one study document and create your first AI study guide today. Tomorrow, you'll learn how AI creates powerful presentations. Subscribe, practice today's workflow, and I'll see you tomorrow.